Straight into the middle. Yeah, smells so good, baby.
Let's cover it up.
All right. Here's I saw the chocolate in there, so it needs to go in this leaf. I think I need to light up. Taking so long. Yeah, that needs to go. Then I did it again.
That's good.
Buffy, there's dry, so the little chicks and leaves are dry.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I need to use the farm. You put it in, no? Not yet.
Yeah.
Ow.
Huh?
There's no mosquitoes down close.
No. But put on the long part.
Yeah. What can I do?
Smoke and so
You hold.
so the rest stays in.
Ooh, that's really good. Smoky. firing, honey.
Huh?
Flaming. Can you check on it? It's the fire on. It's gonna burn.
Little.
Fire. It have to be off. I think, babe.
No, it's fine like this.
Oh.
It's grease. And, but it's fine. It doesn't go.
Alright. Alright. And into the middle. Spoon. No, let me. You make a big sound. Put it back. Put it back. You can take the juice.
A lot of smoke here.
We are burning our terrace. Baby. We're burning our terrace. We are in the smoke. You turn on the video.
See? This color.
Yes, you're right. Barbecue master.
Yeah.
Bring it to the camera. There's a barbecue master. We done it. With the horn.
Oh, too. Me too.
I'm not so good at it. This is cold.
Close.
Right.
It's done.
And get ready for mastering the barbecue tonight.